Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well watching this today. It is Monday morning, it is 9 minutes past 9. Oh, anyone know anything about angel numbers? What does 9 mean? It's 9:09. Anyway, it is a Monday morning, and although I am a little bit breathless, I promise you, this is the first Monday in 2 weeks that I have felt not ill, and I can't tell you how much of a relief that is. Normally on a Monday morning I go like hell for leather, and I haven't been able to. So this is the first Monday where I've just dropped the boys off, I've come home and I've been like, I want to do stuff. I'm still a bit breathless and I always have a tissue up my sleeve. Does anyone else do that? Like, I feel like my mum when I do that. We are gonna have a productive Monday morning, Motivation Monday. Let's do this. I am gonna set a timer for an hour and I'm gonna go for it. Let's do this. Happy Motivation Monday. Okay, so I'm starting off in the kitchen and I just need to put these plates and things into the dishwasher. The dishwasher is almost full, so as soon as I put these extra plates and bowls and things from last night and this morning, it will be full and I can put a dishwasher tablet in there and I can turn it on. Now I'm going to start cleaning the sinks and the worktops. I'm going to use my Dawn spray, which I use for special occasions. And I completely failed throwing my Scrub Daddy in the sink. Wanted to do it all stylishly and it just didn't work, so we're just going to forget that. But I'm going to use my Scrub Daddy and my Dawn spray to really give the kitchen sink a lovely gleam and get rid of any marks or any dried on food or anything. Get the sink all shining, and then I will repeat the process on the worktops. I'm also just going to use my sonic scrubber just to get into the little grooves around the top of the sink where I find it easily builds up and it's hard to really get in those little nooks and crannies. The sonic scrubber is so perfect for that. I have it linked in my Amazon store, which is always down in my description box if you want to get yourself a sonic scrubber. It is a handy little cleaning tool. I'm just going to pop a little bit of bicarb down each of the plug holes. I haven't done this for a while, so I want to give the drains a good clean as well. I put a bit of bicarb down there and a little bit of white vinegar, let that work its magic, and then I'm going to flush it all away with some boiling water. And like I said, I'm just going to repeat this process on my worktops, giving them a good clean and a good scrub and a wipe down as well. Right, just need to remove this duvet that's been drying overnight. I'm just going to declutter, put everything back in their homes where they should be, and then I can just spray down this big side unit as well. I'm just using a flash spray and a cloth to do this super quickly. Just going to quickly tidy away all of the toys. That includes cat toys now as well. Thank you very much, Penny. And I'm going to clear the space so that I can vacuum all of the floors in a minute. But before I do that, I just want to wipe down the dining table. The boys obviously had dinner on here last night, and myself, and they had breakfast on there shortly ago this morning, and it needs a good wipe down, so I'm just going to do that quickly. Actually, while I had the spray in my hand, I thought I would just go into the living room and wipe down our little tray in the living room. This gets a lot of use and it can get dirty quite quickly. So as I had the spray in my hand, I thought I'd go in there and do that. Then I got carried away and wanted to do a bit of a tidy up in here. So I just tidied up the cozy on the sofa, and then I noticed that the sofa cushions were looking a bit grubby. So I wanted to pick those up and give them a wipe down as well. And yeah, I spent a bit longer in here than I planned to. Okay, back to what I originally wanted to be doing, which is vacuuming. I'm going to vacuum all of the hard floors across the entire downstairs of the house. All of the things that need to go upstairs have been waiting for me on the stairs. So I'm going to take all of this up one at a time, put everything back in its home. And I found Penny on my travels, so she's just going to say hello. I'm going to strip all of the beds. I'm not going to make them because I've only given myself an hour and it is quickly running out. So what I'm going to do is strip them all, and then later on today when I have a moment I will go round and make each bed. I'm going to put all the bedding on the stripped beds so that all I need to do is just quickly put the fresh bedding on. I'm setting myself up so that it's all ready to do quickly later on today. Last thing I want to do, because I literally have 2 minutes left on my timer, is to put on a load of washing. The washing machine was already like half full, so I just got a few extra things from my kids' rooms to fill it up. I put a pod in there and my fabric softener, and that was good to go. There is some dry washing on the line, so I just need to take all of this down, fold it up, and I'm going to take that upstairs, ready for me to do a little bit later on this morning. So I'll take that clean washing upstairs, ready to be put away after I've had a snack, because I'm getting really hungry now. And I'm going to sit down, I'm going to have a drink, I'm going to have a smoothie, I'm going to have a little snack, and I'm going to sit, look at my diary, do a little bit of admin, and I'm also just going to finish watching this amazing Netflix documentary called American Nightmare that I started last night. Highly recommend if you're looking for something. But guys, thank you for watching my latest video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.